Very good morning, children. This is Manish Yadav, your English teacher. Today, I am making a new video for the students of class 9th. This is thinking about the text, question and answers for the first chapter, that is the fun they had. Answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. In this video, we would cover all the questions as well as answers for the first chapter, that is the fun they had. Let you go through the questions and answers without wasting the time. Question number first. How old are Margie and Tommy? Dear students, first of all, I would like to require the attention of every students. You have to be focused on the screen when we go through the questions and answers very neatly. Question number first. How old are Margie and Tommy? Margie और Tommy की उम्र क्या है? Answer has been given. Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. मार्गी की उम्र 11 साल है और टॉमी की उम्र 13 साल. Question number second. What did Margie write in her diary? So the answer is Margie wrote in her diary, quotation tag, today 17th May 2157 Tommy found a real book. उसने अपनी डायरी में लिखा है today 17th May. ऊपर, as you know how to maintain diary for a occasion. You know, occasions are a day. If we want to mention a diary regarding that, we mention it in our diary up to 120 words. So she wrote in her diary today 17th May 2157 and Tommy found a real book. As we know, this is science fiction, and in this the narrator has described about 100 years later what would happen if the education system would be updated and virtual classes would be there. Students would study with the help of computer system, and teachers for every subjects would be same, a robotic teacher. So it is talking about 2157 in this chapter after 100 years later. So question number 3 is, had Margie ever seen a book before? क्या मार्गी ने इसके पहले कभी बुक देखी थी? So the answer is no. Margie had never seen a book before. मार्गी ने कभी इसके पहले कोई बुक नहीं देखी थी. Question number 4. What things about the book did she find strange? ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ थी जो मार्गी को बुक के बारे में अजीब लगी? Answer. The book had yellow and wrinkled pages. The words of the book were still. They did not move as the words move on the computer screen. As you know, the chapter is about science fiction. So as we see the computer screen, words move on the screen, but in the book we can't see moving letters, moving characters of words, and pages are yellow and wrinkled. It depends on the condition of the book. If it is worn out and used a lot, so papers would be yellow and wrinkled pages. She found these things strange. and these are the things which she found strange in the book. Question number 5. What do you think a telebook is? According to the reader, what is telebook? Answer. A telebook is displayed on the television screen, and the text of a telebook is similar to a book. What is the telebook? So the answer is telebook is displayed. We could display it on the television screen, and the text of a telebook is similar to a book. So as we know, the syllabus and the text or the pages, it would be similar to a book. Everything would be same. Characters and letters, matter, text, everything would be same on the television screen, but it could be displayed on the television screen. Question number 6. Once again, I would like to remind all the children to be focused on the screen, because I am not drawing underlines wherever we are going. So just if you be attentive, you would be able to know where I am reading. Question number 6. We are going through question number 6 now. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Answer. Margie's school was near her own bedroom. She did not have any classmate. Margie's school, it was near her own bedroom. Means virtual classes was there, and she was studying with the help of computer system, and it was kept in her bedroom. So it was near her own bedroom. Her school was near her own bedroom, and she had no classmate. She had to manage alone for her studies. There was nobody as her classmate. Question number 7. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Answer. Margie learnt geography and mathematics. Tommy learnt history and mathematics. Both Margie and Tommy, they were learning geography, mathematics, and history, mathematics. Now the second, answer the following with reference to the story. Question number 1. I would not throw it away. Who says these words? What does it refer to? What is it being compared with by the speaker? Answer for the first question. Margie says these words. And question number 2. What does it refer to? It refers to that real book that Tommy found on that day. Question number 3. What is being compared with by the speaker? So the speaker compares it with the telebook. Okay, these are the answers for the extract. And now this question number 2. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a man. Who does they refer to? Children, what does regular mean here, and what is it contrasted with? Answer for the first question. They refer to the people of the old times. Okay, or the children of old time. Question number 2's answer. Here regular refers to the mechanical teacher than they had. Okay. And the answer for the third question, what is it contrasted with? That is, it is contrasted with the normal teacher of earlier times who was a living human being. As we know, living teacher, just we could see nowadays students are taught by the human being, teachers are a living teacher. Okay, human being, they are human being, and we elect different teachers from for different subjects. But in those days, when it would be 100 years later, only robotic teachers would be there, and students could study. They would have studied at their home, you know uh, in their bedroom, at their house. They needn't go outside to school for getting education. Everything would be available at home through the virtual classes. A third, answer each of the questions in a short paragraph about 30 words. First question is, what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Answer: Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They were taught on computers and television screens. They did not have a living person as a teacher who would teach the pupils in a classroom. So this is the answer for the third question. मार्गी और टॉमी के जो टीचर्स थे वो मैकेनिकल टीचर्स थे, रोबोटिक टीचर्स थे. एंड मार्गी एंड टॉमी को कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर पढ़ाया जाता था. दे डिड नॉट हैव अ लिविंग पर्सन एज अ टीचर हु वुड टीच द पीपल्स इन अ क्लासरूम. और जैसा कि हम देखते हैं आज के टीचर्स जो ह्यूमन बीइंग होते हैं, इंसान होते हैं, उस तरह के टीचर्स वहाँ नहीं थे उनको पढ़ाने के लिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? मार्गी की माँ ने उसको काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर के पास क्यों भेजा? Answer is Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because the mechanical teacher was not functioning efficiently. It had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. Margie's mother, मार्गी की माँ ने उसको काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर के पास इसलिए भेजा क्योंकि मैकेनिकल टीचर्स जो थे, जो सिस्टम था, इट वाज नॉट फंक्शनिंग एफिशिएंटली, प्रॉपरली, एंड इट हैड बीन गिविंग, जो सिस्टम था उसको बार बार जियोग्राफी में टेस्ट दे रहा था, लेकिन वो जो थी उसमें बेहतर इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं ले पा रही थी. शी वॉज डूइंग वर्स एंड वर्स, शी वॉज नॉट डूइंग बेटर. That is why Margie's mother sent her to the county inspector. Question number 3, that is, what did he do? Answer: he solved down the mechanical teacher's speed up to an average 10 years level, and the mechanical teacher's speed was controlled and adjusted according to the IQ level of Margie. और काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर ने क्या किया? उसने स्लो डाउन जो स्पीड थी मैकेनिकल टीचर की, उसको कम कर दिया अप टू अकॉर्डिंग टू एवरेज 10 years लेवल, जैसा कि 10 साल के बच्चे के लेवल में या एवरेज में हो सकता है. द मैकेनिकल टीचर स्पीड वाज कंट्रोल्ड एंड एडजस्टेड अकॉर्डिंग टू द IQ लेवल ऑफ मार्गी. और उसकी स्पीड को इस तरह से कंट्रोल किया गया, नियंत्रित किया गया, जो कि आसान हो 10 साल के बच्चे की जो IQ लेवल होती है, जो बौद्धिक स्तर होता है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, वाई वॉज मार्गी डूइंग बैडली इन जियोग्राफी? व्हाट डिड द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर डू टू हेल्प हर? मार्गी जियोग्राफी में क्यों अच्छा नहीं कर पा रही थी और काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर ने उसकी किस तरह मदद की? आंसर इज मार्गी हैड बीन डूइंग बैडली इन जियोग्राफी. This was because the mechanical teacher was very fast in displaying the questionnaire. ऐसा इसलिए था क्योंकि सिस्टम बहुत फास्ट था, and everything was visible for a short time on the screen, so it was not easy for Margie to look and watch each and every characters and every questions properly on the television screen. So it was the reason, that is why questionnaire was also displaying the question for short of the time, so she was not enough to watch each and every fonts and words very carefully within a short span of time, एंड द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर जैसे द स्पीड अप टू एवरेज 10-year लेवल, और 10 साल के बच्चे की बौद्धिक क्षमता के अनुसार काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर ने उसकी स्पीड को कंट्रोल किया, नियंत्रित किया। दस इस प्रकार द मैकेनिकल टीचर्स स्पीड वाज कंट्रोल्ड, और उसकी जो स्पीड थी मैकेनिकल टीचर की उसको स्लो डाउन किया गया, थोड़ा कम किया गया। द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर assured दैट द ओवरऑल पैटर्न ऑफ मार्गीज प्रोग्रेस वाज क्वाइट सेटिस्फैक्ट्री, और ओवरऑल जो उसकी परफॉर्मेंस थी, जो उसका पैटर्न था, वो प्रोग्रेस थोड़ा सा अब संतोषजनक थी, अब अच्छी थी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th, व्हाट हैड वंस हैपेंड टू टॉमीज टीचर? टॉमी के टीचर के साथ एक बार क्या हुआ था? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. So the answer is Tommy's teacher was taken away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So Tommy had nothing to do during that period. He only relaxed and enjoyed. Once Tommy's teacher was taken away for nearly a month, एक महीने के लिए, because the history sector had blanked out completely. So Tommy had nothing to do. और टॉमी के पास कुछ नहीं था करने के लिए. He only relaxed and enjoyed. और वो सिर्फ उन दिनों आराम कर रहा था और मज़े कर रहा था. Question number 6. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? The answer is yes. Margie had regular days and hours for school because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Yes, Margie had regular days. वो रोज़ स्कूल अटेंड करती थी अपना. एंड आवर्स फॉर स्कूल बिकॉज हर मदर सैड, उसकी मम्मी कहा करती थी कि छोटे बच्चों के लिए सीखना तभी बेहतर होता है अगर वो रेगुलर आवर्स पे सीखते हैं, मतलब प्रतिदिन एक टाइम टेबल के अकॉर्डिंग वो सीखते हैं, तभी उनके लिए बेहतर होता है, बिकॉज दे वुड बी इन द प्रैक्टिस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. हाउ डज टॉमी डिस्क्राइब द ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ स्कूल? टॉमी पुराने स्कूल्स के बारे में कैसे बताता है? आंसर, टॉमी सेज दैट द ओल्ड स्कूल्स वर डिफरेंट. टॉमी बताता है कि जो प्राचीन समय के स्कूल थे वो थोड़ा सा अलग हुआ करते थे. दे हैड अ स्पेशल बिल्डिंग एंड ऑल द किड्स वेंट देयर टू स्टडी. और एक स्पेशल बिल्डिंग होती थी जहाँ पर सभी बच्चे जाते थे स्कूलिंग करने के लिए. जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं, नाउ डेज वी कम टू स्कूल फॉर गेटिंग एजुकेशन. वी कांट बी एजुकेटेड स्टेइंग एट आवर होम. इफ़ we are staying at home and taking online classes, so we have to go through the telebook or computer screen and mobile screen to watch the videos of online teaching. They laughed and shouted in the schoolyard, और वो हंसते थे और चिल्लाते थे स्कूल यार्ड में. They enjoyed time together and learned lessons together in a classroom. और वो समय का एंजॉय भी करते थे और साथ साथ स्कूल में पढ़ा भी करते थे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. हाउ डज इट डिस्क्राइब द ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ टीचर्स? और वो पुराने समय के अध्यापकों को क्या बताता है, कैसे बताता है?